Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's your boy King Yadiya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And I'm gonna do a little trade review on GBPUSD and a live trade recap on Euro USD. So let me see, let me make GBPUSD bigger. And I just want to drop a little message before I start, right? If you're trading, or even if you're not trading, and let's say you're making some money in life, right? Not no big money, but let's say you're doing okay. You know what I'm saying? You have a job, you're making your little money and stuff like that. If people ask you for money, if people are begging and stuff on the street or in the train or wherever it is like that, don't hesitate to give them something, man, because especially if you have the opportunity to make money and take care of yourself in this life right now, always try and help somebody else, because the Most High Yah is giving you a blessing by letting money run through your hands, right? So don't be a dam of money, you know what I'm saying? You're not just gonna back up the blessings by, storing all your money and hoarding all your money, you know what I'm saying? If somebody asks you for something, the little change that you have in your pocket, give it to them, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, that's just my little, I just wanted to say that. So yeah, on GBP USD, let's see, I entered here at around yesterday at around 3 o'clock, and we just had the dip, you know what I'm saying? We were breaking out here. We broke above this level here. You see, I took the break of R1, right? And then we just came all the way back. It's a simple story, ain't nothing. My stop loss was below this structure right here, and we came back and retested this area. So I could possibly get back in at the break here, but that was that trade. Simple trade. And now, right now, I'm in Euro USD. Kind of the same pattern, not kind of, but basically the same pattern. We got the break of this sideways movement here. Broke above. I took the break of R1. We came back, we retest, kind of the same thing as the euro, but my stop loss was safer this time. So the pullback here only tested this area, which in GBP USD, it broke past this area and came down to more like this area here. So right now, GBP USD had this same kind of structure, right? With the lower high, the lower low, and this one. Let me go back to it. Let me go back. You can see it's basically the same pattern, because, yep, same pattern. It just we got caught, you know what I'm saying? This is the lower one right here compared to this one. We just got caught where we came back here. Anyway, so with me seeing that, we had this pullback and stuff like that, and I survived that, I ended up moving my stop. I can't really do it with this this long position kind of feature it has here, because if I move this up, it's gonna act like the trade is done when I hit this. So right now my stop is like around here, the top of resistance right here. Let me see exactly what my stop is. My stop is 1.21958. 1.219. Yeah, right around. Right, so this is my stop right here. It's basically the top of the support area, and I need to change this to support because we're above it right now. So right, support zone, all green. So yeah, I think this is my take. Yeah, my take profit is right below R4. So let's see what happens here. We got let me make this bigger. Right, so we got the break entered on the break of R1, and since then we had that push down, heavy volume. We had that good recovery right there, engulfing candle, pushing up. Let me take out the arrow. Yeah, so we had this big push up here, less volume though, but still nice, you know what I'm saying. Same kind of volume, we had this smaller candle, so that's showing some weakness in the move. Had a little rise in volume right here for this sell-off. Had a little back and forth, tested R2 again, nice volume for the push-up. Now we tested this area right here, which is a volume point of control area. This is where heavy volume took place, around this area. This blue, this green line right here, that's VPOC. Hit some sellers, hit some supply right here, so we pull back down, dropped off again, volume dropped off with the sell, so that's encouraging. Didn't want this one to be higher to show that there's a continuation in the drop. And we're getting this recovery off of R2, so it's looking like R2 is support. And I could even probably trail my stop up here, but I'm gonna just leave it at break even. You know what I'm saying, let me put something right here. 958. And just add my stop loss right there. So that's my my stop loss line, just for clarity, because I trade off of MT4, like my executions is MT4, but my charting is always trading view. So I gotta put these stuff here. Sometimes I set alerts, like right at the price here I would set alerts. Alright, so when my stop is triggered, it's triggered. So I will get the alert if it comes back and stops me out. Yeah. So yeah, right now that's my trade on Euro USD. It's looking alright so far. I mean, as far as my target, I think I might try and hold this trade past R4. So instead of me having this as my take profit, I think I'm holding this. I want this to push past R4. I want this to have a continuation. I want us to break out from this consolidation right here. Will we get it? I don't know. So when we come up to this area again, to the top, I'm gonna make my decision as to what I want to do. And I'm gonna bring down this is a break of high of day, so I'm gonna bring this down a little more, so it could give me a heads up before we break high of day. So when we get up to this point here, I'm gonna start making some decisions on this trade, whether I'm gonna trail my stop up or I'm gonna just leave it at break even and see if we could capture like a good move. But anyhow you take it, this is a break even trade right now. So alright y'all, it's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe, stay blessed.